Converting volumes, part 2. 80 fluid ounces is how many pints? First thing I need to find out is, can I go directly there? Fluid ounces, pints, not with just one step. I need to do 2 steps because I have those 2 lines there. So this is where the conversion factors actually come in, as opposed to the units, no, ask. So I'm going to set this up over 1. Open my first conversion factor. I want to get rid of fluid ounces. And I want to go to cups. So 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. My fluid ounces cancels fluid ounces. I have cups there. But cups is not where I want to end up. So I need to get rid of cups. Go to my conversion factors. 2 cups is 1 pint. I can go to pints. Pints is where I want to end up. So fill in my numbers. 1 pint, 2 cups. Cups cancels cups. I'm left with pints. Multiply my top. $80. Multiply my bottom. 16. And I have my pints. Do the 80 divide by 16. Grab my calculator, type it in. And I get 5. So my answer here is 5. Your chemistry teachers, your physics teachers, your biology teachers will want you to use the conversion factors because you're going to have multiple steps. And it's much easier to do this with conversion factors than it is to set each one up separately. Second example. I'm going the opposite direction from what I was doing up there. I'm going from pints to fluid ounces. But I'm going to set it up in a similar fashion. I'm going to start with my pints. Put them over 1 so I have a fraction. Open my conversion factor. Starting with pints, I want to end up in fluid ounces. Going up here, I see pints there. I see fluid ounces there. So I want to go from pints to cups, cups to fluid ounces. I'm starting with this pints to cups. So pints is on the top. To get rid of it, I put it on the bottom. I want to go to cups. And I see that 2 cups is 1 pint. Pints cancels pints. I have cups, but I don't want to finish at cups, I want to keep going. So I open a second conversion factor. Get rid of cups, it's on the top. I need to put it on the bottom so it cancels out. From cups, I can go to fluid ounces. I see 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. 1 goes with cup. 8 goes with fluid ounces. Multiply the top, multiply the bottom, and get my answer at the end. So I have 48 over 1. Pints canceled pints, cups canceled cups. I have fluid ounces. So my answer is 48 fluid ounces. Third example. 120 fluid ounces is how many quarts? Well, now we have even more steps to go through. Fluid ounces, to cups, to pints, and finally to quarts. So I start with my 120, put it over 1. Open my first conversion factor. Fluid ounces is on the top. I put it on the bottom so it can cancel. I can go from fluid ounces to cups. So cups is on the top. 1 cup, 8 fluid ounces. Next conversion factor, because I don't want to stop at cups. Cups is on the top though, so I put it on the bottom to get rid of it. I can go from cups to pints. 2 cups is 1 pint. Don't want to stop with pints, I want to keep going. I see pints and quarts. Pints is on the top. I put it on the bottom. I go to quart. 2 pints. 1 quart. I'm going to double check my units now. Fluid ounces cancels fluid ounces. Cup cancels cup. Pint cancels pint. I have for my answer quarts. Multiply my numbers across the top. 120 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 120. Multiply my numbers across the bottom. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2, 32. Now I know what I need to type in on my calculator. So I grab it. 120 divide by 32 equals 3.75. Make sure I got the decimal point in the right spot. I do. So now I know my answer. What's missing over there? I don't have my unit written down. Now I have the right answer. If you are told to write the answer as a decimal, that is finished. If you are told to write the answer as a mixed number, you will have 3 3/4 quarts. This last problem I'm going to do on another video so that I have more space to do it.